Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim Tesco Clubcard points. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, there's a few different ways to do this, so I'll just go through the first way, which is in-store shopping. So the first thing you need to do is to get a Tesco Clubcard. If you don't already have one, you can sign up for a Tesco Clubcard online or in store. From there, you need to scan your club card. So when you make a purchase in a Tesco store, present your club card at the checkout. You can scan the physical card or the digital version via the Tesco Club Card app. And then for every $1 you spend in store, you earn 1 point. Some products or promotions might offer bonus points as well. And now online shopping is quite similar. So what you want to do is visit a Tesco website or use a Tesco app and make sure to log in to your account associated with your club card, and then add items to your cart as you normally would. And then as before, for every $1 spent online, you will earn 1 point as well, just like in-store shopping. And additional ways to earn points, so number one here, Tesco fuel. So earn points when you buy fuel at Tesco petrol stations. For every $1 spent on fuel, earn 1 point. Tesco Bank and Tesco promotion, so earn points for a transaction with Tesco Bank or Tesco Mobile. And you can also earn points when you shop at the Tesco Clubcard partners. Check the Tesco Clubcard website for a list of participating partners. And you can check your point balance online or via receipts you get from in-store. And now to redeem those points, so the vouchers. So points are converted into vouchers, which can be used for discounts on future Tesco's purchases or Clubcard reward partners. And you can use your points for discounts on travel, dining, entertainment, and more through the Tesco Clubcard Rewards partners.